Did you know that by simply pressing save and then submitting, you may earn money every day from anywhere in the world if you pull out your phone or laptop, find a peaceful spot free of distractions, sit down and start typing? And you'll be repeatedly receiving payments of $20 to $75. But there is a problem. You must properly configure it. Not to worry, in this video on this website, I'll be specifically demonstrating how to do it. You don't need to have any prior writing experience or make any upfront payment to register, and it is absolutely free. The majority of individuals are unaware of it, so be sure to read everything to the end to get all of my insider information and access to this additional money-making website. I'll walk you through every step and illustrate how to do it precisely. Start by getting into your computer or mobile device. Whether you have an iPhone or Android phone, you can still accomplish this from anywhere in the world. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Please use your smartphone or computer to access mine. You can do this from anywhere in the world, whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone. Go to typingtest.com first, please. A typing test may be finished in this location in 60 seconds. I want you to visit this page by clicking the typing test link after you've arrived at this website. I want you to click 1-minute test, text, and then more options. You can choose a test that lasts 1, 3, or 5 minutes, and then text, sentences, or words. There are numerous options on this page, as you can see if you click more options and then use this downward pointing arrow. As you can see, there are timer here for 1 minute, and it says click or tap here to start typing. So go ahead and click on Tigers in the Wild and then start typing test. We'll assist how rapidly you can type. As soon as you start typing, a countdown will begin. I'll use an illustration. Whenever I begin to type, the timer will begin to run, and it will then show how rapidly I type. By not presenting this typing test, I won't waste your time. I'm just going to show you this website, typingtest.com, so you may test your phone or computer typing speed. On this page, you can get free training and courses to help you improve your typing speed by clicking Typing Courses. I'm showing you this because I'll show you a couple websites where you can type away and make money online. You can earn more money by typing more quickly. You may access a number of training resources right here. On your computer or phone, they can speed up your typing, and they are totally free. This will be the first website that can help with internet side hustles. I'd like to show you a few places where you can type your way to online income. I want to demonstrate to you that this opportunity is available in every nation because they are global in scope. You can see that the hourly rate is $1.25. You can earn $70 by merely typing on this page for an hour. You can make $225 in 3 hours and up to $375 in 5 hours. Around 170,000 users have trusted this very real and reputable business, coming from all over the world and across many different industries. On the homepage of rev.com, you'll see transcription $1.25 per minute, captions $1.25 per minute, and foreign subtitles $3 to $7 per minute. You can help them by providing subtitles or captions to their videos if you speak another language in your nation. For instance, you may help translate the videos from your language to English or the other way around. You can make a ton of money here. Simply doing the subtitles might earn you $3 to $7 per minute if you speak a foreign language. If you are completely unexperienced and do not speak any foreign languages, I suggest starting with a video transcription for $1.25 per minute. If you go to the bottom of this page, the Become a Freelancer button will get you there. You can choose from hundreds of tasks, get paid weekly, and get your money on schedule by working from home and transcribing or captioning videos. You can discover how to get paid here. Freelancing job work from home with Rev. They welcome applications from all over the world. Simply input your first and last name, email address, and position by selecting transcriptionist from the list, and then click the next button. I'd like to offer you another website, that you can join for nothing. This is a unique opportunity that TranscribeMe.com is offering. When you visit this website, there are 3 positions accessible where you can type while making money online. Transcription, translation, and data annotation are the 3 alternatives, since they pay more than everyone else, as you can see in what we offer to offer. I wanted to concentrate on the transcription one more time. The top monthly income is $2,200, and they pay the industry standard rate of $15 to $22 for each audio hour. You can see that they pay $22 for each audio hour, which means that if you work 5 hours, you can earn $110 in a day. This compensation compares favorably to what Rev.com provides because it's a better company and you can earn much more money by just typing there. I encourage you to put Rev.com first if you want more opportunities to develop a variety of revenue streams. I advise enrolling in both businesses. Both TranscribeMe.com and Rev.com allow registration. You'll have more freedom and flexibility to find supplementary work that lets you earn money online by simply typing and transcribing on your computer or phone. Simply click the Join Today button if you want to join them. You will be directed to a website where you can make a new account by doing this. Work will find you, so you don't need to look for it. There are countless opportunities for work that let you type while making money online. They will send you several job offers, and you can choose the one with the best pay among them. Anywhere and anytime you choose, you can transcribe. You may do it from either your phone or computer because of how flexible their hours and schedule are. Work however much or little you like. The rare 2 or 4 minute clip is the best aspect of this website. Since the video is short, you can just sit down with your phone in hand and start transcribing to make money online if you have 30 or 20 minutes to spare each day. In this section, you can provide your first name, last name, and email. Since they will send you a confirmation code to activate your account, you must enter your actual email address. They may even send you a job opportunity via email on occasion, so be sure to check your inbox, spam folder, and promotional tabs. Ensure that you get all of their emails. After that, enter your password once more and your PayPal email address to receive payments. In the country section, you can choose any nation you like. No matter where you are from, you can take advantage of this opportunity because it is available to everyone. Enter your state, time zone, and preferred language after that. Regardless of gender, whether you are male or female, you can enter your phone number and Skype number and just click the I agree to the term of service and privacy policy button before clicking the Create Profile button. When you click on the down arrow here, you can choose unemployed or employed, and you can select any of these languages for transcription languages. Remind yourself to check your email because they will send you information for verification there. You should speed up your typing because they might inquire from time to time. Here, you can go to typingtest.com and take a test, pass it, and then email the results to them to find out your typing speed. They can now approve you for additional job opportunities because they won't hire you if you type too slowly. As an alternative, you can enroll in a free course on this website to boost or even double your typing speed, which will enable you to be hired for more position and continuously generate money from anywhere for nothing. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.